It's time for your damn science lesson from Wildman Chris, the layman.
Many of you have heard of Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. It's a theory that describes, among other things, how gravity works and how it affects massive bodies, like planets. And many of you have also heard of quantum mechanics. It's a theory that describes very small things, like electrons. No one has ever been able to unify these two theories into what we colloquially call a theory of everything.
Well, I have a theory, Missy. Little Missy. This is what I think. The macro universe, there's two universes superimposed one upon another with interaction that interacts with one another because it's superimposed upon one another. There's the macro universe, and then the micro universe. The micro universe is the subatomic particles, and they had their own rules. And the micro universe has its own rules, but it's superimposed one upon another, and it can interact and transfer from one universe to the other. Do you get it? Do you get it? Now, scientists, run with this theory. Let's see what she's got to say. Let's see how close I was to what the experts are saying.
Or more technically, quantum gravity theory. But for years now, there has been a theory that is claimed to be a serious contender in unifying these theories. And you've probably heard of it. It's called string theory. Problem is, string theory has kind of failed. For years, it has been getting tons of funding and grants in academia.
String theory
but it has
sucks.
never produced any successful predictions. And there are many physicists out there who think that the time of string theory is over, and that E8 may play a more serious role in an eventual...
Check this theory out. Subatomic particles are one universe superimposed upon this universe. They're both superimposed upon one another. Let's put it that way. The subatomic particles and all the particles, the macro and the micro. Understand? In the words of Mr. T the Great.